Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing the text size on PlayStation 5 to make it bigger or smaller. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. From the dashboard of your PS4, move to the top and then go to the right until you get to Settings and open them. In Settings, select Accessibility. In Accessibility Settings, select Display and Sound. From here, select Text Size from the list of options. A pop-up will appear where you can choose what size you want your PS5 text to be. It will update automatically so you can see what it looks like. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more PS5 tips and tricks.